Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. We are on the topic of NPOs, I mean to say, not for profit making organization. In previous video, it has been explained about the NPO's meaning, objective, and how many accounts are prepared. In NPOs, I R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur is going to explain for the sake of you computation of subscription. It was in previous video. You must have seen just what is the meaning of subscription, and yes, today I would like to explain the computation of subscription through the practical questions given in your textbook. I would like to tell you the practical question more and more, whatever given in the book. Every terms and conditions, just the subscription related to previous year, subscription related to next year, and how we will be able to compute the subscription for the current period, for which the accounting treatment is done. Now, dear children, just the practical question, computation of the subscription, it has been explained. Just the main motive, main source of income of any NPOs, that is the subscription contributed by the members of the organization annually, 6 monthly, 3rd monthly, weekly, whatever so on. So in a number of practical questions given in your book, see how the computation of subscription, what amount, question number 12, what amount will be credited to the income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 on the basis of the following information. Now, information given out is, suppose that the information given for for 2018 and 19. See over here, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription, in short, that is written at the board, and advance subscription. Advance subscription. Information is that the outstanding subscription given 20,000 and 15,000. 20,000 and 15,000 advance subscription, that is 4,000 and 6,000. 6,000. This one is the information given in the question. Subscription received during the year 2018-19. The subscription received. Subscription received during the year. During the year subscription received during the year 2018 and 19 were 5 lakhs. Were 5 lakhs. And it's a question for the sake of us. Just we have to compute the subscription for 2018-19 credited to income and expenditure account for the year 2018 and 19. How will we computed such subscription credited to the income and expenditure account? Just we have to ascertain that one. Solution, the process, we have to write first solution this way. Subscription received during the year. Subscription received during the year is equal to 5 lakhs. Rupees 5 lakhs received by the organization during the year from its members, means contribution contributed by the members of the organization during the assessment year for 2018-19 5 lakhs. And the other information given means in the certain sum of amount, whatever the information means previous year, means at the beginning of the year the outstanding subscription is equal to 20,000 and outstanding for the current year is equal to 15,000. The process will be taken into consideration, my dear. Now we have to calculate the actual income of the current year. How? So whatever the income or subscription related to the particular year just will be added, whether that is dues or that is received. So all the amount cash received by the organization, only 5 lakhs given. So we have to add related to this particular year subscription. Dues subscription means not received by the organization, 15,000 given. So we have to add this one. First item, add subscription, outstanding subscription, outstanding subscription at the end of the year, at the is equal to 15,000 plus 15,000 and advance at the previous year subscription related to the particular this year for the current year, that will be for the current year. Because of that, the organization received the subscription in previous year as advance, just related to the, that is related to the current year, current accounting period. So we have to add this one. We will have to add this one. Advance subscription at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the year, beginning of the year, plus 4,000. That is the total 5,19,000. That is the total of subscription received during the year and outstanding subscription at the end of the year and advance subscription at the beginning of the year. That is the total 5,19,000. Now we will have to deduct some certain of amount related to the previous year received by the organization and for the next year. So let's first item, outstanding subscription of the previous year. Previous year outstanding subscription, that is included in 5 lakhs. So we have to deduct. We will have to deduct from the total subscription of the current year. So let's outstanding subscription outstanding subscription at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the year minus at the beginning of the year, that is given 20,000 minus 20,000. So 4,99,000. And then after advance at the next year, advance subscription for the next year, that is not the income of the particular year, current accounting period, that is not the income of the current accounting period. So we have to lessen, that is to be lessened from the subscription received during the year. Advance subscription for the next year, advance subscription related to next year. For next year minus 6,000 that is given 6,000 means 4 lakhs 4 lakh 93,000. 4 lakhs 93,000. That is the amount will be credited to the income expenditure account in income column. That is the amount of income and expenditure account. Expenditure account. That is the calculation of the subscription. Now see, 4,93,000. Now dear children, you can see the information given, whatever the information, just read the, try to study and observe the fact that is given in the question. Go through the information given. The information will tell you how to deal with the such items that is deducted or that is added to the subscriptions. Remember, it's a point for the sake of us. Again, I am going to explain this one. The information given in the organization that is NPOs. Just whatever the question given and that is being said for the sake of us, what's the amount will be credited to the income and expenditure account for the year 2018 and 19. On 31st March 2019, the income expenditure account is being prepared by the organization. This way, the information given. So you can see outstanding subscriptions are just on beginning of the year information given, end of the year information given. So at the beginning of the year information given, outstanding subscription that is given 20,000, and at the end of the year subscription outstanding means due subscription 15,000. Advance whatever received by the organization, that is the 4,000, and for the next year 6,000 at the end of the year. So how certain sum of amount received as a subscription by the organization, that is 5 lakhs in 2018-19, whatever the cash, whatever the money received by the organization for 5 lakhs. And actual income of the particular year means accounting period, we have to ascertain the actual income as a subscription credited to the income and expenditure account. Now, this is the way subscription received during the year, that is 5 lakhs. First we have to write this way, 5 lakhs. Then after, outstanding subscription at the end of the year, because this subscription related to the particular accounting period. That's why it is added in subscription received during the year. Advance subscription at the beginning of the year. In previous year, whatever the advance received or just related to this accounting period, so we have to add this one also in whatever the subscription received during the year. So 5 lakhs plus 15,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 5 lakh 19,000. And other information in next column, advance outstanding subscription for the previous year. Previous year outstanding subscription. Now see, this one is the item of minus, this one is the item of minus, this one is the item of plus, and this one is the item of plus. It's a question arising why this will be added and deducted. I am explaining through this video. Now advance subscription. Advance subscription at the previous half year, that is added, and in minus item just the outstanding subscription of the previous year we are receiving in particular year. So it will be deducted from the total subscription received during the year, that will be deducted. So from 5,19,000, 20,000 amount will be deducted. So 4,99,000. And advance this year received. Advance we have received during this year for the next year. This belongs to the next year subscription. That's why 6,000. That is the advance at the end of the year, this year received. So it will be deducted from the total subscription received during the year. So the actual amount are to be credited in income and expenditure account 4,93,000. This is the proper way ascertaining or computing the subscription. Remember, dear children, watch this video and try to observe the fact and the information given. Keep on watching and try to solve the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.